How to check Facebook page password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the menu option from the bottom right of your screen and further scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option and then on settings. You will see the account center option. Tap on that and further tap on the password and security option. Here, as you can see, there is no option to see your current Facebook password. So go ahead and close Facebook and open the passwords application on your iPhone. You will be asked to enter your biometrics or passcode. Enter that and further tap on the search bar there and search for Facebook. You will be shown with a list of accounts you have connected to Facebook on this device. Tap on the profile whose password you are looking forward to. You will see the password tab. Tap on that and with this, you will be able to view your Facebook password. So this is how you can check Facebook page password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.